Hi, it's Etude, and I'm back with a BB cream review and comparison. Recently, I've been using the Snail Therapy BB cream by Nature Republic. It's another Korean brand, and previously for like the entire summer and spring and I've been using this BB cream by Etude House. It is the Precious Mineral BB cream Cotton Fit. And yeah, I've been pretty much liking this, so I thought, but recently I've been using the Snail Therapy one, and so I thought I'd review it and then tell you what I think about it, also in comparison to the Etude House Precious Mineral Cotton Fit BB cream, which is the Precious Mineral line by Etude House, another Korean brand, is really, really popular. It offers full coverage and does the job for me, and I'm happy with it. Plus, it's really affordable. The Etude House one costs about $14 US, and if you find it on sale, it costs half that. This is what the box looks like for the Snail Therapy BB Cream by Nature Republic. And maybe you can read what it says here. It offers wrinkle improvement. And yeah, the ingredients and how to use are here. It has 5 non-added formulas, so there are no parabens in it, and I'm not sure what else is not in there. It is using recycled paper to make the box. The Snail Therapy one has SPF 50 PA+++. They both say that they do whitening, but this one also has wrinkle improvement. They say on the site that it's supposed to help with the elasticity of your skin, and basically when it says whitening, what they mean is that it helps to fade dark spots on your skin. The Etude House uses pearl powder or pearl extract, and this one uses snail mucin, and they say on the site that it's 50% snail mucin in the formula. It's basically snail mucus. Yeah, no, I haven't really, I don't know, I don't really tell. It's really hard to tell those things. I'm not sure if it did that. So actually, I'm not actually wearing any BB cream or foundation at the moment. I have put some eye makeup on and lip balm on, and I did put a primer on. So that's why my skin has been looking better these days. So I thought what I'd do is that I would compare these two products, and on half my face I'll put the Snail Therapy BB by Nature Republic, and on the other half I'll put the Etude House one. Let me put it on my hand first so you can see just how it looks in terms of color. Now this is 3Ho, so it is the third darkest color. It does now come in 3 shades. It previously only came in 2 different shades. There are 3 shades now, and I have the darkest shade. I find that it is a bit light for my skin tone. Oh, you can really see the difference in color. This is also number 3Ho, so for both of them I use the third darkest shade, so shade number 3. And the Etude House BB cream fits my skin tone pretty well. And yeah, the Snail Therapy one is light for me. So this one does look yellow in tone, and kind of orange as well. So that's the Etude House one, and it looks pretty like white, and it has that grayish tint to it that a lot of BB creams have. And so they're both number 3, but this one is definitely lighter, and yeah, look. Pretty light on me. No, but I blend it in, and I can make it work, especially, after you wait a while, it sinks in a bit. The color does change a bit. I blend it in, and I set it with a powder, and I use bronzer to help it blend into my neck and stuff. So this is the Etude House one. The Etude House one is a lot more blendable. Okay, so this is the Etude House, and this is the Nature Republic on this side, and the Etude House on this one. The Etude House one really sinks in more. Just need to wait a while, and then they just kind of look better on me. But the Etude House kind of blends more easily and sinks in more than the Nature Republic one, which seems to like sit on top. But the Nature Republic one really, I feel, smoothens out my skin more and blurs the pores more. Whereas this one offers better coverage, actually. And sometimes I think it emphasizes my pores because it has that pearly aspect to it. But I don't know if you can tell, but the Etude House one looks a lot better on me and more natural on me than the Nature Republic one because the shade is just light. Anyways, I'll put it on my face. So I'll put the Nature Republic on. I generally use my fingers to put on foundation, but I'm going to show you with a little sponge today. Because I heard that maybe it'll just look better with a sponge. So it used to come with a sponge, actually. The original tube used to come with a sponge, and that you would use that to pat it on. But I don't feel like it applies better with a sponge. I do feel, I'm going to put it on with my finger now because I feel like it's not really covering or doing anything with a sponge. That's what it looks like. It's quite light. So what I do when I put this on is I blend, like I cover it with a powder. I have to set it with a powder because I feel that it kind of sits on top of the skin, and without a powder it rubs off very easily. And maybe that has to do with the SPF, the type of SPF they use, I don't know. But yeah, it does rub off quite easily unless you set it with a powder, and then I blend it in with bronzer, or just use a darker shade to kind of blend it in to the neck. I shade a bit, so, and then it looks quite good. It is reflective, that's what I found too. So if you take pictures and stuff, your face kind of looks shinier, but it really does blur the pores, I think, and make your skin look smoother. And it is a bit glossy, like like how Korean people like the dewy glossy look. It's a little bit glossy. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Etude House, and I always just use my my finger, so okay, so that's done. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I can tell in real life that this side looks more natural and kind of blends into my skin better. And the color is just better for me. It's more yellow toned. You can still see a difference between my neck and stuff. But I think it's not as bad as this side. This side is a lot brighter. Both of these BB creams are reflective actually, but I feel like this is even more reflective and it has that glossiness to it. But it looks really nice when you do the shading and blend it in. And so I think if it matched your skin color, it would look really nice. This one, sometimes I feel like it does have very good coverage, the Etude House BB cream, and this, I feel like this is better at covering redness instead of this one. And I feel like this has medium coverage, not full coverage, but the Etude House has full coverage. And it does a really good job of covering redness and pores and everything, but it actually emphasizes the pores because it's not a glossy finish, but it has something shiny and like almost like sparkly in it. And I don't know if it's the pearl powder that does that, if there's pearl powder in here or what ingredient that's doing that, but it has like almost like like a highlighter kind of thing effect. So I don't know, it sometimes I feel like it does emphasize the pores. This one I feel like I don't even need to set at all. You can just like go out like this and it's fine. So yeah, I feel like this is just more convenient. But of course I don't have, of course, because this one doesn't match my skin tone, that also requires more work. But I also feel like this one can rub off on your clothes and things because it just comes off quite easily unless you set it. If you set it, it's okay. Overall, they're both very inexpensive. They're both affordable. I like both of them. I wish this one was a bit darker maybe and matched my skin tone better and maybe had better fitting. Like in Korea, they say fit. Like the Etude House BB creams have a very good fit. It means it like sticks to your skin and doesn't rub off. Whereas the Nature Republic one doesn't have very good fit because you can rub off. But if you set it, it's fine. Both of them are quite good though. They're just a little bit different. Let me know which one you like better, which one you think looks better on me. Maybe at the end of the day they look the same. I don't know. Look, now, this one's quite light, isn't it? This one blends in better. I do like the kind of glossy effect. I don't like too much because I don't want my skin to look oily, but I do like, you know, the smooth glossy effect of a lot of Korean BB creams. So I do like the effect of this. I just wish it was a bit darker so that it matched my skin better. I recently ordered some stuff from Yes Style, so I'm waiting for that to come in. So that's all I have to say about the BB creams, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for subscribing, and see you next time. Bye!